We call this exhibition At the Slate's Edge. It has a number 2 after it. That's because it's the second exhibition of this type we've put on. At the Slate's Edge refers to Bethesda, to Dyffryn Ogwen, and the tradition of slate working ever since the late 18th century and the development of the Penrhyn slate quarries. And it's very much a presence in the area, in the valley. In the 19th century, quarrymen lived in small cottages, which they decorated with these wonderful carved slates. And it's part and parcel of the life and culture of the area that these were found in many of the workers' homes decorating the fireplace. There would be a piece either side supporting a top slate like this. A lot of different variations of motifs on it. Plants, grandfather clocks, birds, wine glasses, but vases and other domestic items feature heavily. Very rarely human beings. Difficult to carve freehand. A lot of this is done in a geometric way, a mechanical way. Since the times of the quarries, why has Bethesda become a centre for artists? And so why have we got this exhibition here now containing 40 and more artists? Well, from the 1960s, Bethesda, or Bangor University, became a bit of a magnet for liberal arts students and for climbers. And many young people came because of the mountains and because of the university and stayed on. Many people are still here from the 1970s onwards. So the exhibition contains work of all sorts. We haven't limited it in any way. We did not make a choice. We just chose the artist and said, would you like to put your work in? And we got up to 40, we could have got up to 50 plus, which is quite amazing really for a village of Bethesda's, or an area of Dyffryn Ogwen's size. Some of the work concentrates on slate, so we have modern slate work as well as the older slate work. This probably is from the mid-19th century, and we've got, done very recently, we've got work here.